I do want to apologize, my video just paused, but let's get right into where we left off. You want to add your background. All right, so it was a class, so our dot background, do not forget that. So we're gonna say we want a background image. All right, and then we're gonna say URL. Right, and I have a folder called image2, and in that image2 my background is called background 4, and it's JPEG. Right, so went to the wrong file. Anyways, so this is what we have. Cool, not so like this one, but we're gonna get there. Right, so while we're at it, let's just go ahead and make this color white, just so we can see the text that's inside. Awesome. Inside of this background though, we want to go ahead and tell browser to ignore any background repetition. So we're going to say background repeat, no repeat, overflow. We're going to say hidden for our overflow, right? Save, and it's looking pretty close to what we have. Yeah, about the same. This one does span across, I don't know why, but we're gonna fix that later on. We're just working on this right now. So anyways, it's pretty cool, pretty neat. So we're gonna go ahead and go to this section of the page where we have, I do want to mention this is totally responsive, where we have an image and some text over here with this button. All right, and so that's what we're gonna do. All right, right now we have nothing below. Awesome. So we're gonna go into our HTML and right under our main tag, you're gonna create a section tag, and we're gonna create a div, right? And give this class a class of container. I don't know why I just turned my sorry guys. We're gonna give this a class of container, and we're gonna create another div inside of this container, and we're gonna give it a class of row, create another div, give it a class of column, and this is gonna have a breakpoint at the medium screen size. We're using the bootstrap grid system over here, so we're saying at medium screen sizes and above, we want this, whatever we're going to put inside of this column, you want it to be half of it, because if you do remember, grid systems it adds up to 12, so we have 6 and it's going to be exactly half of that. It doesn't have to be exactly half, but that's what we're going to be using for this. Anyways, we're going to add another div, and we're going to say content rights. Actually, let's go ahead and make this left, because this is going to be the picture, right? And inside of here, we're going to add our image, which is, what image is this? An iPhone. All right, so we're going to add our image, src, our source, and we're going to say image2 / iPhone. I believe that's what I named it. iPhone.jpg. All right, we're gonna go ahead and close that out, and there it is. Yep, we have our nice cool iPhone. All right, so we're gonna go under this, or matter of fact, let's just go ahead and copy this. So this one closes this one closes this one closes. All right, let's go ahead and copy this, and we're gonna repeat that over here. I'm gonna name this content right, because this is where it's gonna go in the right section, and we're gonna take this image tag out. Right. Awesome. Give it a save, and nothing should happen, because we have nothing inside of our that column yet. And so if you take a look, we have a title, we have a heading, that's h1 heading. So we're gonna go ahead and add that h1. It says Sorry guys, almost losing my voice here. It's time, not tune, it's time to say goodbye to the new iPhones, right? And then we have a P tag, right? I'm just go ahead and grab onto these text, copy this, and paste it right here. Awesome. Also, we have a button, which is a link. So that'll be href to nowhere right now. And we're gonna give this a class of btn. This is danger class. Yep, btn danger for that red background color. And let's give it a medium size, right? And we're gonna say read more and close our a tag. So let's go back to this before we save and give it a save. And there it is. Awesome. So we have created everything to this point all the way up here. Looks pretty neat. Okay, our grid system is working. All right. We're gonna move on to the next section, which if you look at this one has a little gray background, and that is a style from a jumbotron. So that's what we're gonna be creating. We're gonna create another section. You just give this section ID of let's say section 1. Right? Nothing significant. Anyways, we're gonna create another section. My video probably might cut again. If it does, I am so sorry. I will get back to you, but right now let's just focus on what we're doing. We're giving this a section 2. And as we can see, this is a jumbotron, so that's what we're gonna do. Div, and we're gonna give it a class of jumbotron. All right, go under that, and we have another div. All right. We have another div, and we're gonna give this class of container. Another div, and we're gonna give this a class of row. Another div. Really long divs, and we're gonna give this a class of column md6. Right, awesome. We're done creating divs. Yay. All right. So this is what we have. If you maximize this, you can see that the image is on the right instead of the left, which is pretty cool. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the text on the left, right? So actually, let's give this a div again, and we're gonna give it a class of second content left, right? And then we're going to say, this is going to be so confusing. I hope you're not confused though. And you're gonna say H1 Huawei. Just grab onto this Huawei Mate 20. I don't know why I just grabbed that. Could have typed that. H1, and let's get our P tag, and I'm gonna grab onto this, copy, we're gonna paste right in here. Awesome. So you're gonna give it a save, and yep, there we have it right here.